Hi everyone. Today we're driving 2 hours south of Tulum. Here are the top 5 things to do in a weekend in Bacalar.
See that? That's where we're staying. Magical, no? Bacalar!
Welcome to Bacalar, Mexico. Bacalar is known for its beautiful lagoon, the Lagoon of the Seven Colors. First things first, watch the beautiful sunrise on the lagoon. Waking up early never looks so good. Most places will come with a kayak, especially if you're staying right on the lake. Kayak rentals are available as well.
This is how you swing in Bacalar.
Be prepared for unpaved dirt roads all over the Quintana Roo region of the Yucatan Peninsula in Mexico. So this is our Airbnb where we're staying. It's this lovely chalet in the jungle. Beautiful. I'm going to show you the inside too. Outside.
Glorious.
There's hammocks everywhere here.
I'm about to check out this 18th century anti-pirate fort here in Bacalar.
Let's go. Bacalar is connected to the ocean by tiny canals and was taken hold of by the Spanish in the mid-1500s. After being ransacked many times by pirates, the Spanish built this fort called Fuerte San Felipe in 1729.
Much better. Serene breeze. How's the water?
So nice. So warm.
Is it like the beach?
Yeah, it's even nicer. It feels nicer.
Hey, what are these strange looking rocks?
These are prehistoric life forms called stromatolites. They release oxygen into the atmosphere and keep the lagoon clean. They are sacred and you must never touch them. Also, SPF is not allowed as it can damage the stromatolites and pollute this magical lagoon.
Okay, so what do I do if I can't wear sunscreen in Mexico?
You can go early in the morning so you don't burn.
Oh, okay, that's a good way to avoid crowds too.
Right. Why did it tickle so much?
Cenote number 2. Cenote Azul.
El Centro is a great place to get souvenirs, food, and drinks. It's also where the Bacalar letters are located, which are very famous on Instagram. So we had a fun time taking pics here and just walking around. As far as local fine dining, we recommend Nix Tamal. Nix Tamal specializes in local Yucatan food and brings it to a new level.
Just be sure that you have plenty of cash on hand because they might not take your card.
Cash is king in Mexico. Lots of kisses from Bacalar Mexico. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button so you can follow us on all of our adventures. Thank you so much for watching. Mwah.